Emerging Tech Leader Award.
I watched a documentary called She++, which is, I guess, like a play on words, because there's a programming language called C++, basically highlighting women in technology. And there was this one engineer that really stood out to me. She was just like, I like Gossip Girl and I like to go shopping and I can code. And I was like, great, I like all of those things, so I could probably code as well. I'm a true believer that it's hard to be what you can't see. Seeing like software engineers that look like me, that like the same things I do, that were able to be successful in the tech industry kind of inspired me. You know, there's not a lot of women in the tech industry, so I want to be an example to anyone, any age, younger, older, just to show them that you can be in this industry. You know, dreams come true if you work hard.
I've been working on organizing events for probably 10 years now, starting as a high school student, helping out with the off-season first robotics competition, to running bar camps, which was very tech-oriented, to the Maker Faire, now in its 4th year with several thousand attendees. At Magic, I run events, including hackathons, create-a-thons, bring in speakers, I connect students to different companies, do a bit of research on the maker community, on the open source community. A hackathon or a create-a-thon or make-a-thon is basically a marathon of people coming together, working on projects over a 24 to 48 hour period, and either competing for prizes or just doing them to create something for good or for art, bringing community together, raising them up, introducing them to each other, reaching out to events all across the state.
As a technology leader, you really want to make sure you reconcile between all parties that you are working with. So we listen to our research team. We listen to what is the competitive analysis and how do we take their information and their input and how do we improve upon it, right? And then we listen to the business needs of like, okay, we have to meet these legal needs, but what also, from a business standpoint, how can we take what you need and sell it? How can we make it better? And then we have to go to the dev team and always ask them, okay, we show the designs. And I always tell the designers, like, shoot for the moon. We go to the developers and, you know, we ask them point blank, like, can you build this? Everything can always be done. We all have to work together to make sure we create the best experience possible. The user is our ultimate goal. No matter what technology you use to build it with, if the user is not going to use it, it doesn't matter.